everyone. In this video episode, we're going to talk a little bit about applying filters to your emails. And so what this means is you can tell your Gmail account where certain emails should go. And in an earlier episode that I did on the topic of tidying up your Gmail account, we talked a little bit about how to create labels. And so as you can see in this example, I've created a label for 4 different subjects, and I've color coded them just so it's easier for me to see. So now if I want to filter emails, which means I want to tell my Gmail account whenever I get an email from a certain person or class, I'm going to tell it to automatically send that email into one of these labels or send it into one of these files. That way it'll skip my inbox and it'll go directly into one of these files. And then all I have to do is click on that subject to see the emails that I've gotten for that particular topic. So the easiest way to filter your emails is to first go up to an email. So for example, this one right here is from my language arts teacher. You're going to select that email and you're going to open it. And then over here on the right side, you have these 3 little dots. You're going to click on those dots. And then you're going to select this item here that says filter messages like this. Okay, when that comes up, as you can tell, it automatically puts in the email address up here. So it's telling the computer that anytime an email comes from this address, it's going to go directly into my language arts label. So down here, I'm going to hit Create Filter. And I'm going to mark a couple options here. I'm first going to tell it skip the inbox, but then I'm going to go down here and I'm going to select apply the label, and I want to choose language arts. After I've done that, I'm going to hit create filter. And now I have just told it that whenever I get an email from this teacher, it's going to go directly into my language arts box. Okay, another way or another type of email that you can sort would be emails that you get from your Google Classroom. So this teacher right here is my science teacher. And so again, I'm going to open up that email. And as you can tell, this came from Google Classroom. So I can also filter these emails to go into a particular subject. So again, I'm going to go over here to the 3 dots. I'm going to click on the 3 dots. I'm going to click on filter messages like this. Again, it's putting in that email address, which this is the email address from that teacher's Google Classroom account. I'm going to select Create Filter. And I'm going to choose Skip the Inbox. And I'm going to go down to Apply the Label. And I'm going to choose Science. And my last step, Create Filter. And I'm done. And that is the easiest way to create filters for your email account.